Hi, welcome to this course. I remember a long time ago on PBS, I started watching William Alexander. And I loved watching William Alexander. The fire in, and you are the creator. And then along came Bob Ross a few years later, and I love Bob Ross too. I loved all the guest artists that they had on those shows, Robert Warren and Buck Paulson, just to name a couple. And but it was several years later before I actually picked up a paintbrush and started painting. And then it was, oh, several years later again before Painter came along. And I just love Painter. I bought the version that came in the paint can. Do you remember the paint can? It was a gallon paint can. I don't know which version. I got one of the first versions. I don't know how many versions came in the paint can. But I love painting with Painter, except it was hard to do the wet on wet oil technique. And with Painter 2018, with the thick paint brushes, that's all changed. It's wonderful. It's wonderful. So I hope you enjoy this course, and I'm glad that you're here. I'm glad I'm here. Okay, thank you.